a time dukanmu za a yo kira when the world must come together as one. Mutuwar yawan al'umma, it's time to lend a hand to life, za ya zamto alkhairi.
We can go on, koda yaushe babu canji. That someone somewhere will soon make a change. Dukkanin dan adam mu daina nuna bambanci. And the truth, you know, love is all we need.
We are the world, Dukka al'umma. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. Da zaɓin alkhairi, we saving our own lives. Mu haɗa kai don mu ci gaba, just you and me. Oh yeah.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place will be much brighter than tomorrow. Da kokari muna lura, rayuwa za mu gyaruwa. Lokaci za ya zo ba damuwa.
There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Mu kyautata wa juna and make a better place for all. Heal the world, make it a better place. Domin ni, domin kowa gaba ɗaya duniya. There are people dying, amma idan muna yawan kulawa, make it a better place. Domin ni har da ku. When you're down and out, there seems no hope at all. Oh no.
Amma mu yarda lalle za mu samu gyaruwa.
Well, let us realize, oh, rayuwa za ta ci gaba.
When we stand together as one.
We are the world, Dukka al'umma. We are the ones who make a bright